Oh boy. You need to go back? Oh, Larry, be careful.
Yeah, back up and
Give it a push forward.
give me the chain.
You want me to just give it a push forward?
No, because I'm afraid that one's gonna
Come at him.
just.
Where's that chain at? You want that around that? Yeah, put it around
I'll
that.
get it here. You take this.
Get it around that big beam. Here, I got the saw bar. I got it.
I wasn't taping it.
Oh,
It came down. I'm sorry I missed it.